Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change menu using drag and drop menu builder. So when I am meaning menu, that means I will show you how you can change, customize or reorder this menu from admin panel. For that we need to log into admin panel and we need to search for menu. Here it is. We have to go to appearance, menu manage, all menus. Click on all menus. You will see an interface like this. For create a new menu, you have options here, and for all other menus which you have already created, you will see a list here. So there you will find another options that one of them is marked as a default menu. Default menu means the menu is currently showing on the home page. This is the main default menu. So we are going to edit it. To edit this, we need to click on this edit icon. And now you will see an interface like this with all the menu structure. Currently it has the menu and sub menu on all other item. And first I will show you how you can add a pages to this menu, and then I will show you how you can add a blog or product in the menu, and then I will show you how you can add a custom link in the menu. So let's start with the pages. To add any page in this menu, you need to click on this pages list. Let's say we will add a page whose name is blog grid 2. Select the checkbox, click on add to menu. It is added. If you click on the save changes, you will see it reflect in the website. Here it is. Show you how you can add blog to the menu. For that, click on this blog, select any of the blog, click on the add to menu. As you can see, it is added. Now click on update, go back to the home page, reload this page. As you can see, this is added. If you click on this trade cross icon, it will remove from the menu. Then need to click on the update. It will update. Let us remove this as well. Now I will show you how you can add product in the menu. Click on the product, select any of the product, click on add to menu, click on update changes. It is added. Now get back to the home page, reload the page. As you can see, the product menu is added. Let us remove it, save it. Now I will show you how you can add any custom link as a menu. For adding custom link, click on this custom link, add an URL. Let's say I will add Facebook, given Facebook as a URL and the label as Facebook. Click on add to menu. It is added. Now click on update changes, go back to the home page, click on reload. As you can see, the Facebook is added here. So when you add a custom link, you will see a few other options to change the menu title later. You can set the target for this menu. It will load in self or in blank. You can also use icon for the menus. If you can also drag it above to reorder the menu. If we have dragged it, and let's click on update changes, back to the home page, reload the page. As you can see, the order is changed. So this is how you can change the menu using our drag and drop menu builder. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.